Look at all these trees. I bet you're like, where are they at? And if you didn't know, and you're in Vegas, there is an actual orchard here called Gilcrease Orchard. Finally made it out here. This is what we're looking like in front of it. It's downtown North Las Vegas-ish. And they have so much. But if you're coming out here, put on your walking shoes because you're going to be out here walking. I mean, they have peaches, apricots, berries, cucumbers, tomatoes, snow cones, eggs, honey. Like, this is a true orchard. I can't believe it's took me so long to get out here. I mean, just look at these peaches, and be sure to check their website because they actually have different types. So, and when you should come out here, like what time of year, etc. Watermelons, onions, squash, pumpkins, like you name it. Anything that can grow here, just about.
Why is it get so big?
What do you mean? Yeah.
And you know what? It's not far from my house. And what I'm kind of thinking is I'm just going to stick with my tropicals. Then I can come here and get all the vegetables. And really, you got to know that you're helping them out by helping them pick everything. Support your local businesses, people. They got blackberries, they got donuts, they got sunflowers. The list goes on. Check out these tomatoes. I'm so done growing tomatoes. Like, why not just come around the corner and come get them from here? I'm a tree person anyway, so this actually makes sense for me. Whether you like them fried, whether you like them big, they also got the small cherry tomatoes, tons of stone fruit. Pomegranates. I mean, be sure to check their website though, because some things are not in season and you can't pick them. They have a bee farm. I always wonder where bees are coming from. I think they're coming from here. Ciders, donuts, and I came away with bags of peaches. So many peaches. Couldn't skip out on honey. This is actually good for allergies even and things like that. And this is the rest of the haul. They kind of charge per pound based on the type of food you're getting. Way better than a supermarket. And you know I had to do something special with the peaches. Support local. Let's grow.
Let's grow.